One of my clients, Marcus, a sharp thinker with big dreams, kept hitting the same wall. Every time we discussed growth, he came back with lines like, "I've always been this way." People like me don't get those opportunities. I'm not good at that. It's too late for me. One day I leaned in and asked, "Marcus, do you want to be right about your limits or free from them?" He blinked and said, "I didn't know I had to choose." That's the trap. When you argue for your limitations, you're not being realistic. You're building a case to stay stuck. You're not protecting yourself. You're sabotaging your future. You can't win the fight and free yourself at the same time. Excuses feel safe, but they cost you your growth. Where in your life are you defending your limitations instead of challenging them? Next time you say, "I can't," follow it with, "Says who?" Then rewrite that thought into a possibility. Drop a comment if you're done arguing for your limitations. Like and share if you're ready to choose freedom over fear. You can be right about your limits, or free from them, but not both. It's time to work on your purpose.